What's the name of this?
Eden Oaks.
Eden Oaks. Here we are in Eden Oaks, just driving in. Let's see what it looks like as we get further into the subdivision. Isn't that funny? The streets are flooded again. All I can say is, it is time to drain Ponchatoula now.